The barbell Romanian deadlift trains the glutes, more specifically the upper glute max in its lengthened position. To set up, place the bar at knee height in the rack. Grab the bar just outside hip width with your wrists, elbows and shoulders stacked in a straight line. Your feet should be hip width with your toes straight. Next, soften your knees and hips and stack your ribs over your pelvis by crunching slightly. Lastly, engage your lats by pushing your shoulders down and imagining that you're bending the bar with your hands. You should feel a squeeze around your armpits. Unrack the bar and take one big step back. Now reset with the same cues before commencing. To summarize, think soft knees, ribs over pelvis, and bend the bar. For the action, starting with the eccentric, take a deep breath, expanding your stomach. Break at the hips, pushing your butt back toward the wall behind you. The bottom position is typically just below your knees or mid-shin. You should feel a stretch on the back of your leg closer to your glutes. On the concentric, focus on pushing your hips forward. Think of squeezing your glutes rather than just standing up. Once you're in the top position, take another breath and reset if necessary before completing the next rep. For proper alignment, ensure that your shins stay vertical and your knees aren't traveling forward or excessively backward that you lose balance. Keep the bar close to your shins by engaging your lats or bending the bar with long arms. If you're experiencing back discomfort, it's typically for 4 possible reasons. Although keep in mind that your back is isometrically working and you will feel some sensation in your back. 1, you're not breathing into your stomach and bracing your core by stacking your ribs over your pelvis for each rep. 2, you're pulling the weight up with your back by standing up rather than pushing your hips through. 3, you're not maintaining lat engagement and the bar is drifting out in front of you. And 4, you're hyperextending your spine at the top of the movement. Simply stand tall and avoid excessively squeezing your glutes at the top.